Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to make your iPhone screen black and white. Maybe you want to reduce eye strain, extend your battery life a little, or just think it looks cool. Whatever the reason, it's super easy to set up. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to switch your iPhone's display to grayscale. We'll cover two methods, directly through the accessibility settings and using a handy accessibility shortcut. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more useful tips and tricks about your iPhone and other tech. It really helps us out. Okay, let's dive in. Method 1. Through accessibility settings. 1. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. It's usually found in the third section, after General and Control Center. 3. In the Accessibility menu, look for the Vision section and tap on Display and Text Size. 4. Next, tap on Color Filters. 5. Toggle the color filters, switch to the on position. 6. You'll see a list of color filter options. Select Grayscale. And that's it. Your iPhone screen should now be in black and white. To switch back to color, simply toggle the color filters, switch back to the OFF position. Method 2. Using an accessibility shortcut. This method is even faster and more convenient. It allows you to toggle grayscale on and off with a triple click of the side button, or the home button on older iPhones. 1. Go back to the main settings menu. 2. Tap on accessibility again. 3. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on accessibility shortcut. 4. From the list of options, select color filters. Make sure there's a check mark next to it. Now to toggle grayscale on and off, simply triple-click the side button, or the home button if you have an older iPhone with a home button. This will instantly switch between color and grayscale. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to make your iPhone screen black and white. Choose whichever method works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.